Oh shit. So what is up, guys? We are here with another video, and this shit is explosive, man. This shit is explosive. So a lot of drama's been going on in the media with Master P and Little Romeo. This is crazy. I mean, it's heartbreaking for me to even read because I've grown up in that era, and I'm a huge fan of Master P, No Limit, the whole crew, and I saw the era with Romeo growing up. So for those of you just tuning in, Romeo has now released another statement, and he just put it up on his Instagram. And I gotta say, man, I don't know. This is getting crazier and crazier the more and more it kind of unfolds. But here's what he put up recently in response to the video that his father put up yesterday, batting down, everything about it being about mental health and that, it's just about Romeo with money. So Romeo's response to that, man, he says, I would just like to thank James and Taylor of Rap Snacks for seeking the truth and doing proper business. This year, I will get my first Rap Snacks check and finally start receiving my earnings from my bags. Wow. I was told as a kid that we owned Rap Snacks and that my payday would come after we put in work and sold the company. Silly me. I promoted a company for free for 15 plus years based on the word of my pop, without being allowed to see any contracts or even meet with the team. I stayed loyal, but I'm entitled and ungrateful now. Only addressing this here because my father is trying to gaslight and break me instead of taking accountability for his mistakes, greed, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. My mental is very strong because I do the work, but no man or woman should live a lie to protect another. My stand isn't about money, it's about the perception of money. My father knows that I've made the most earnings over the past 10 years and played my part quietly, as always, so he could shine. In time, the truth will prevail, and I will believe that my father will truly lean on God and not the image and money. He will be the richest man in the world, if that's what his heart desires. None of y'all love my father more than me. I know my sister's passing was a warning, and just like Moses in the Bible, the man that leads the people out isn't always allowed to the promised land because of his own ego. Don't have to be perfect, but I can't follow someone who's been blind. Y'all make fun of me because y'all think I was raised a certain way, but I was built for this season of ridicule and misunderstanding. I'm willing to be judged and walk through the fire for my family in hopes of a great leader waking up. I've reached out behind closed doors and got burned repeatedly. He's an adult and has to do honest work as well. Like I told him, I have to love from a distance until then. I have a family now too, and it's critical I protect my peace. No more suffering in silence. The rise of the phoenix. This is getting crazy. Like he says, mental health is real, so why do he think he's exempt? Let me know what you guys think.
Where can you get these chips? In the stores?
You can go to like certain stores.
Okay.
Like retail stores, it don't matter.
Y'all have to request the Rap Snacks by Romeo at your
I
store.
say I'm in Philly, Baltimore, DC, LA.
That's it?
Good night.
We gotta get on.
The bags, I definitely remember these bags. It's crazy. I was a kid eating these snacks. I do remember they only been at certain stores and you had to run all over town looking for a bag here and a bag there, but I gotta say, man, he's made a lot of money off of these chips. Anybody know that? So this is the email that Rap Snack sent Romeo after learning that he's never made any money from any bags of chips that he's sold over all these years. This is getting crazier and crazier. This is a very interesting topic. Who do you think's in the right? Are you siding with Romeo, or do you think Master P is telling his side and Romeo just need to chill? Let me know what you guys think, all right? Jump in the comments, jump in the likes, and let me know what you guys think. I want to know what you think on this topic.